So currently eye disease, especially retinal degenerations due to genetic disorders, are benefiting from a blossoming of technologies which are aiming at restoring vision or preventing the loss of vision. So there are different approaches. One is to try to correct directly the gene defect, which is gene therapy, corrective gene therapy. Currently there are several gene therapy trials ongoing, at least 10 worldwide, including several in Paris. And these approaches aim mostly at protecting the cells and preventing their cell death and trying to restore some function. So what is also very promising and getting into clinical trials is called neuroprotection, protecting the remaining cells of the retina, especially to avoid the loss of central vision, which has been a key area of investigation of my team and co-workers. The other approach is aiming at restoring vision, patients who lost vision. One approach could be to replace the cells, like stem cell approaches using embryonic stem cells or induced pluripotent stem cells, and this is currently quite advanced for supporting cells. For neurons, we still don't know exactly the connectivity, and the issue of safety remains a very important issue in this field. And what is currently very advanced in clinical trials is restoration through prosthetics, which means artificial retina. We have already started the trial several years ago using devices built in the US, but also in France. This is working very well for patients who lost vision, had seen in the childhood and lost vision later on in life. And we are able to restore shape recognition, face recognition partially, reading, and also be able to move in a known environment. And what is at the merging of all these technologies is called optogenetics, which is a combination of gene therapy and prosthetics on the same technology, is the possibility to reactivate the cells through optogenetics, proteins which are sensitive to light, which are expressed in the retina to reactivate functions. So it's a very fortunate period for people working in this field, because this had been a desperate type of condition with no treatment for decades, and now we are entering into the field of real therapy, rehabilitation, and real hope for patients.